Right, in this little session on the Theory of Equations playlist, we want to solve the equation x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 22x plus 24 equals 0. And to help us, we're given that the product of two of the roots is 12. So let the roots be alpha, 12 divided by alpha, beta, and gamma. So the root product then will be 12 beta gamma, and that's got to equal 24. So that beta gamma is 2. In other words, gamma is 2 over beta. So the roots can now be written as alpha, 12 over alpha, beta, and 2 over beta. And the root sum can be expressed as alpha plus 12 over alpha plus beta plus 2 over beta equals 4. Because that is the negative of the cube term, theory of equations. So, rewriting that slightly, we got alpha squared plus 12 plus beta squared plus 2 over beta equals 4. So that gives us one equation with alphas and betas in it. We're now going to get another one. And this is the clever part here. We're going to use the reciprocal root sum. In other words, 1 over alpha plus alpha over 12 plus 1 over beta plus beta over 2. And that's got to come to minus 22 over 24 if you look at the original equation and see what the reciprocal equation would be. So, and that cancels down to minus 11 over 12. So, again, rewriting that somewhat, we get 11 squared plus 12 over 12 alpha plus beta squared plus 2 over 2 beta is minus 11 over 12. And just multiplying up through by 2, we get alpha squared plus 12 over 6 alpha plus beta squared plus 2 over beta equals minus 11 over 6. So we now got a second equation. Now, if we subtract the second equation from the first, the betas very obligingly vanish. And that gives us alpha squared plus 12 over alpha minus alpha squared plus 12 over 6 alpha equals 4 plus 11 over 6, which is 35 over 6. And now we multiply up by 6 alpha, so we'll get alpha squared plus 12 bracket 6 minus 1 equals 35 over 6 times 6 alpha, which is 35 alpha. And so when we divide through by 5, we will just get alpha squared plus 12 equals 7 alpha. So we've now got a quadratic equation in alpha. Alpha squared minus 7 alpha plus 12 equals 0, which factorizes to alpha minus 3 times alpha minus 4 is 0. And so two of the roots are 3 and 4. Now substituting into the first equation, or we could do it in the second, it doesn't really matter. And we can use either the 3 or the 4, we would get the same result. So let's use the 3. So you get 3 plus 12 over 3 plus beta plus 2 over beta is 4. So that means that beta plus 2 over beta will quite easily come down to minus 3. Multiplying up, beta squared plus 2 equals minus 3 beta. Getting everything to one side, beta squared plus 3 beta plus 2 is 0. And that factorizes quite easily. Beta plus 1, beta plus 2 is 0. So beta is minus 1 or minus 2. And so the full solution is x equals minus 1 or minus 2 or 3 or 4. And that brings us to the end of that. Thank you for listening.